In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a waterfall workflow with a Gantt chart in Wrike. We'll start inside your Wrike workspace. From your main view, look for the section where your teams or departments are listed and open the space for your marketing team or whichever team you want to work in. This is where we'll create a dedicated space based on a template, so everything is already structured in a waterfall format. Next, go to the Spaces area in the left-hand navigation. This is where all your spaces live. At the top or side, you'll see an option to add or create a new space. Click that highlighted button to begin creating a new space. When the creation options appear, choose the option to create a space from a template. Using a template is helpful because it gives you pre-built folders, phases, and views, including the Gantt chart we'll use for the waterfall workflow. In the template gallery, you'll see a search bar. Click into the highlighted search area and start typing the name of the waterfall or project management template you want to use. Once you see the template that's provided by Wrike, select the one that's marked as being created by Wrike. This ensures you're using an official, well-structured template. After selecting it, click on Use Template. Wrike will walk you through a short setup, like naming the space and choosing who has access. Confirm those details, and Wrike will create a new space with the waterfall project sample already included. When the new space opens, look for the highlighted project or folder that contains the sample waterfall project. Click into it, then switch the view to Gantt chart at the top. This switches you from a list or table view into a timeline view, which is where the waterfall structure becomes clear. Inside the Gantt chart, click on the sample project named Waterfall Project Sample. You'll now see phases laid out over time. Open each phase one by one. First initiation, then planning, then execution, and then monitoring. Clicking these will highlight the corresponding sections on the Gantt chart so you can see how each phase is scheduled and how they depend on each other. Finally, use the highlighted controls on the Gantt chart to zoom, scroll through the timeline, and adjust taskbars or dependencies. These highlighted areas let you fine-tune dates, drag tasks to change durations, and visually align your phases so your waterfall workflow is clear, structured, and ready for your team to use.